How do I clean my PC's RAM cache every day? So just go to Google Chrome, then type RAMMF download, tap enter. The first one, go for first link. Here is the RAMMF version 61, the first one to download. Click on download. There will be the zip file, so just right click on that and go to extract and go for 64. If your PC is 64 bit, click on that. Okay, so this is the process. You can see the process, all the session and all the files total using. You can see the status here. So here you can see the RAM cache 523 MB, so that must be cleared. Okay, so let's try. Go for empty, then empty standby list. Okay, see, there was 580, so now it's 56 MB. So this is how you can regularly maintain your PC faster. Thank you for watching.